Hi, welcome to Glazed Over. I wanted to tell you guys about our summer camps today. We have them throughout the whole entire summer. You can pick and choose whatever you want to do. So if a certain week doesn't look appealing to you, you can always do a different week. One week in particular that we have is the lemonade stand week. You get to do 2 cups, and you also do a pitcher, and then you also do a canvas. It's going to be a lot of fun. Another week in particular that we have is, of course, the Princess Week. You get to do a glass magic wand, and we teach you how to do glass fusion, which is really cool, and it usually actually is not allowed for young children, but we make an exception. Our camps are ages from 5 years old and up. At the Princess Camp, you also do a Princess Bake and, of course, a canvas. Most of the camps during the summer include canvas painting, pottery, and glass fusion. Alright, cut it out.